How to fix no sound on iPhone games? In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple fixes you can try. First, make sure your volume is turned up. Use the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. Next, check that silent mode is turned off. Open Control Center and make sure the volume slider isn't showing all the way down. Now, go back to your game and test the sound again. If there's still no sound, close the game completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, check the game's own settings. Open the game settings and look for audio, sound, or music. Make sure the sound options are enabled and the volume is turned off. You should also check Bluetooth. Open Control Center and temporarily turn Bluetooth off in case the game audio is being sent to connected headphones or another Bluetooth device. Then reopen the game and test the sound again. And that's it. These steps should help fix the no sound on iPhone problem on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.